How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and today's video took a look at a whole bunch of stocks, 3 stocks. They're from the Patreon. It's not a typical video I make, but I just figured out it would be easier for me to do one big video on the 3. It's INND, BANT, and BLSP. Again, it's for the Patreon. So if you guys are watching it that are not in the Patreon, click the link in the description, and then you get to, if you choose the $5 tier, you get to decide what video I'm going to make. So today's video is, we're going to start off here with INND. I just mapped out the high here at 98 cents and then the low. The charts, I feel like they're messing up. I don't feel like it's a 49, but VWAP is going to be our first resistance at 64. We have support at 55 as well as 49, today's low. So the chart, it held levels, which is the most important thing. Taking out to the 1 year chart, obviously 1 year highs. It's been very crazy ever since the end of January to the 25th. It's honestly a good pullback. I would have liked it to stay above 521, but you know, 490 is not that bad. I feel like if tomorrow, if it breaks the 499, it is not looking too hot. But guys, respect the pump. It went from literally 0.0013 cents to almost 10 cents. So very good price action. Congratulations if you guys picked it up. So resistance is 85853 as well as 739 and then 624. There's going to be a lot of resistances going up into the future. 3-year high is 15 cents. So even that's going to be a PT on it. 10 cents. There's a lot to hold on to. Let's see some more support. Right there was 43. So yeah, each candle is a week here, so I would like the week to close around 8 cents, and then maybe next week a pullback down to 7.5. It's just technical analysis standpoint, just looking for a nice stair step up instead of a rocket ship, really. Last news on it from TD Ameritrade is from May 7th, so that's not going to help us out. Let me know in the comments if Interscope Hearing Tech is why it's moving, and is it just pump and dump, or if you guys are trading it. I don't think it is. Well, if there's no news on it, then yeah, possibly. Because of that now support, then we're in the a good level. Next stock is BANT. Same one with here. I don't think it was $102. There must have been split. Taking out to the 5-day 5. So today's high there is at 10 cents. Very good. And then a huge dip down to 4 cents. Great pickup at that level. VWAP will be resistance yet again at 6 cents. Resistance is 750. That's a double top. That's going to be heavy resistance moving on to next week. And basically, no, 1, 2, 3. And basically, it's a nice stair step up pattern. The volume has been good. A little more red than I would have liked to see today, but at the same time, it's good. We do have some more support at the 4.7. I would like to stay above there. I do not like this candle at all. A high on a red candle. You never want to see it. But then what do you expect? I feel like it was a last minute pump before a dump. If it can hold levels at 5.5, and then the last level to hold is 4.26. If it breaks that, I'm calling bearish on it. Not that I want to, because I want every stock to go up. You know, I want everybody in the Patreon to make money. I just feel like stay cautious on this one. You don't want to get, like, if you sold out today, good job. If you bought at 10 cents, I would stop out. Oh, you can't now. This must be OTC, I'm assuming here. So I would sell it tomorrow if we don't get a bounce off the 0.5 or the 5.5. So stay tuned. I will probably make another video on this one if you want it in the Patreon. Any news on this one? Yeah, okay, so what was news yesterday? This is good. BANT will offer BANT sanitizing. So that's probably the best thing, the best news you could want right now. Responsive to COVID-19. Excuse my puppy barking in the background there. So there is good news on it. It's just, did it pump up too quickly? And I think it did, and it didn't hold levels. There wasn't, it's kind of, there's been more green than red volume, but tomorrow we really need a green day, and if not, we really need to end the week green as well. Moving on to BLSP, the final stock of this video. This one is my favorite one out of the three. There's much more room. A low of high of 4 cents, and right now it's at 2 cents. Well, here's the thing. It's less risky, I would say. Obviously, stocks risky. Trade your own plan your own trade. But I feel like INND and BANT are more risky. This is a nice breakout trade. Low of just fractions of pennies right down here, 0.003, and now from 4 cents. Huge move. Is there any news on it to start? Last news was on December 9th, so not that much. But looks like you're gonna bounce off the lows, which is great. Today's well, a couple days high was 4 cents, and then today's low was right there at 2. So yeah, same with this one. You need a nice stair step up pattern with a bullish look in quotations. It definitely, this end of week or next week, it definitely needs to break 4.4, and I really feel like if it breaks the 0.0155 level, I'm gonna call it pump and dump on it. I really, again, I don't want to call it a pump and dump, but it is what it is, you know. So if you guys are in it at 4 cents, I would stop out. If you're in it, if you're broke even or like you bought it right here at 27, I would still stay in it, see where it goes the rest of the week, but I would make sure to have my stop loss ready, my max loss, just in case, just to save yourself, guys, on any possible very volatile action. You know, not the same companies or anything, but I want to show you OZSC right here, 50, and boom, went all the way down to 29, and the same thing. So I wanted to, I feel like with BLSP, this is going to pull OZSC, spike up, and then push down. Again, I don't want it, but I feel like that's what's going to happen. I feel like we're going to another spike down lower, but I don't want it to break. Like I said, I don't want it to break the 0.5 or the 0.0155. If it does, bearish. If it bounces off, very bullish. I'm holding for a break above that 4.4 level. All right, guys. So again, thank you for the Patreon to announce these 3 videos. I hope these 3 aren't too confusing. I just made a 1 week video to save time on the rendering process, because it would take more time to render 3 than just this big long one. It actually will. Appreciate you watching. Give it a like, subscribe if you have any questions, comments, opinions, drop down below. Join the Patreon for calls like this, and you guys decide what video I get to make. All right, see you in the next one.